Meaning of guttersnipe.
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 Guttersnipe. Guttersnipe is a derogatory term used to describe a person, usually a child, who comes from a poor and disadvantaged background. The term originated in early 19th century London and referred to children who rummaged through the gutters for food and other discarded items. It has since expanded to include anyone who is perceived as being of low social status or lacking in manners or hygiene. The term is considered offensive and should be avoided in polite conversation.